buy a tech gadget as a gift. Tech gadgets are always a good choice for gifts. But it can be difficult because there are too many models and brands out in the market, plus the fact that these types of devices get easily replaced by more innovative ones in just a matter of months. The chances are high that the average consumer will buy a tech gadget as a gift and end up getting one that won't be useful to the gift's recipient. To be sure that the tech gadget will be appreciated and used, then follow these simple tips. Determine how much you're willing to spend for the gift. Tech gadgets vary in price. Popular brands and those that have been just recently released will definitely be more expensive than the not-so-known and older equivalents. Since this is the case, then it is important to first identify how much you're actually willing to spend and make sure that you do not veer away from this set amount. Make sure that the gift's recipient does not already have the tech gadget you are thinking of buying. This is for obvious reasons, of course. You do not want to buy something that will just end up hidden away in the closet. Read up on reviews written by people who actually have first-hand experience with using the gadget. People who do product reviews are always a tricky lot. Make sure that you only access resources that were actually written by people who did not get paid for writing such praises for a specific tech gadget. Why not check out online forums or message boards that discuss your choice of tech gadget? This way, you are sure to read honest reviews from end users. Make sure to compare equivalent brands and models. Once you have identified your choice of tech gadget, be sure to compare these with other similar brands and models. This way, you really get to know if the tech gadget of choice is fairly priced for the features it boasts. Check out the prices from different retailers. Dealers will always have varying prices for the same brand and model of tech gadget. Since this is the case, then it would be prudent to check out each store in your area to make sure that you get the best deal. The secret is buying tech gadgets when they are still considered hot and hip. So make sure that you do your research first before heading out to the store. Be wary about tech gadgets that have been piled away in the not-so-lit corner of the store, as these may be the older models that manufacturers have stopped making.